Hey everybody, welcome to Hilltop Machine Works. Well, we got this quandary solved. She is 110, who'da thunk, right? So the plug is done. Satisfies my curiosity. So let's get over to the lathe and we'll get that shaft cut down and to the measurements we need. What do you say? So I think order operation is going to be, go ahead and face this, and we'll turn this all the way down to 1 inch diameter. And I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and thread this thing anyways. So what I was thinking is, this is going to be the small end if this is a threaded end. So everything's going from small to big. So if we screw the faceplate on, essentially all the bearings and stuff, everything should be able to slide off that way. So if we ever need to access any of these, it should disassemble fairly easy, and this can stay threaded on and Loctited instead of having to mess with a pin. So like I said, we'll go ahead and face, turn the OD down to 1 inch because that'll be for the threads. We'll cut the thread and then we'll start cutting down the basically the journals that the bearings are going to ride on. So that's going to be our plan of attack. So hold on guys, let me check some feeds and speeds and get my eyes on, and we'll get to it. Cleaned up. Should do it there. And that'll be 0. And let's see. It, and we'll turn a little over, give us room for parting her off. Do 125. There you go. That'll be where I need to be for that. And it's pretty stiff, being about a 1 incher, but we'll go ahead and center drill anyways to give a little support. Now we can put a center on it. Not worry about any taper, any flex. Go ahead and clean up the outer diameter here. About a 30 thou. Chips break alright. This is 1144, so it should machine a little bit better. Not looking for a super finish yet until we get close. OD. First measurement we need to hit. Had to let the shaft cool down a little bit so I can take this last measurement and get her down the sides. Cutting the relief there for the threading tool. Nothing fancy there, and I'm gonna go with our high speed like we did last time, and repeat what we did on the nylon on this 1144. So let me get some color on it. Should be back in B yada yada. I need B4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're back in B4 for threading. And to get that switched over there, we're gonna go nice and slow. Slow and steady wins the race. B1. Let's see here. Alrighty, let's find our 0. And we'll do a scratch pass just to confirm. There's my 0. And that was the mailman. He needs some brakes on his mail truck. Alrighty. And let's give this a whirl. Thread gauge go. Number 10. Let's have number 10 sticking out. 9 and 10. Looks like we're good, guys. I don't know if you can see there or not. Let me try this angle. I can get in there. There you go. Alright, let's cut some threads. What do you say? So we'll go in, let's see, we'll do 8. 5 thou. So is that a 3 thou? Scratch pass. Yeah, should have gone deeper than that. We'll be here all day doing that, won't we? Alright, we get the gist of it. You saw me do the same stuff with nylon, so I'll bring you back once we get close. Getting close. Almost. Alright, just a little more. Just a little more. I had cut that relief deep enough, but it looks like it may not. Nope, just kissing it now. Alrighty. Starting. Alright, I'm going to take a few more thou, I'll bring you guys back. I'm hoping this is it. She went on halfway previously. Cut a couple more thou into scratch pass on that one. And looks like we are home free. Nice. Works for me. Let's see where the shoulder's gonna end up at. Cause it's got to sit on the bearing face, if you remember from the drawing. So. I'm just gonna make a mark just for my intensive purpose. Alright, sweet. Taking down the OD of the shaft for that big bearing. Taking off 18 thou total, 9 thou depth to cut. Shooting for 982. We're at 982 and 7/10. So let's see if that bearing will fit. Or is that 7/10 going to be too big? Let me move this out of the way. And it's going to fit over the threads. It may not. Yep. Yes. Alright, so we're just gonna have to hope for the best then, because I can't check it. I think we'll be okay, so I'm just gonna go with it. If we have to come back and polish it a smidgen, we'll polish it. So now we gotta go in and get that other bearing journal, and then it's just gonna end. So all I need is a 1 diameter down here. So that is 785 thou diameter. So hold on, I'll get you moving, baby. I'm trying to go about 20 thou here. Alrighty. There you go, now you're happy. Chew this down and I'll bring you guys back. What do you say? hoping this is a last pass to the dimension we need for the second bearing. I had to rotate the tool post so I could get in that angle a little bit better. I just missed my mark. I was 2 thou big, so I'm trying to take a thou off this thing. Thou cut. And easier than trying to polish it with a file. And hopefully we are almost there. If that measurement's good, then we got to get her, cut her out, turn it around, and we got to drill the hole for the motor shaft. Yep, hopefully you guys can see that. 7/8. Well, I just bumped my micrometer. Anyways, we're at 7/8.5 and 1/10, so we are good. Let's get this part off of it. What'd you say? Yeah, that's not an optical illusion. That's a needle chuck. So this is the original 6-inch that came on this lathe, and this is the chuck that we're going to use on the rotary table build, so it's kind of ironic. Unfortunately, my 8-inch, the jaws are so wide that I couldn't grip this piece of shaft because, you know, we got a journal here and then you've got this journal here, and there wasn't enough room, so this worked out perfectly. I had to put this in. So one last hoorah for this. So now we need to we'll drill this hole out with a 3/8, and then we'll ream it. We got to go in 850 thousandths. So that's the plan. Faced this thing and center drilled it prior to this. I didn't mention that. I haven't checked the fit on the bearings yet. Still crossing our fingers that we hit our numbers and we should be okay. We're halfway there. Put some lube on it when we do the reamer. And we are there. Alright, hang on folks, let me swap this out and we'll get the reamer in. Gonna ream it to 10 mil. These are just inexpensive import reamers. I wish I had a nice set. I don't do that much metric work. A nice set of metric reamers are close to about 200 bucks looking in the tool catalogs. And let's slow it down to we'll see, we'll do about B3. Slow her down even a little more just to be on the safe side. Okay. Let me get this cleaned up and pull it out, and let's check it out. Okay, let's see if this is going to come together. I haven't tested anything, so we're going to do it on camera. And so the big one's going to go on first. Maybe she's gonna be snug. Have I got a burr right there? Ah, she went on sideways, that's why. Yep, there you go. Wow, that's a good fit. Alrighty, so that one will be there. Nice. So the plate's gonna ride just right there on that. Get this in frame for you guys. What do you think? That would be nice, wouldn't it? Now you can kind of visualize the concept here now that it comes together. So you see this is going to ride on that bearing right here. Oh yeah, nice and smooth. Look at that. Nice and smooth. And then that's how she came out. And then this journal here, hopefully she's going to be on the numbers. Oh yeah, look at that, good fit, good fit. And then this, let's see if I can hold it so when she's sitting like that. So then, oh yeah, boy is that smooth. I hope that's in frame. Let me turn it around, get some light on it so you guys can see it. But anyways, like that, hold that thing. Nice. Nice. Let me turn it up just a little. Hopefully that's better for you. And see, the piece of steel would be there, that plate, which would be the body of the machine itself. And so when we're vertical, we're there, and then when we're horizontal, then the weight is on this bearing here. And she's just going to go whee. And then lastly, this is the hole we drilled that goes on the motor. And it's a 10 mil. Sweet. So that's how she's going to be. The grounding strap is going to be here. And all we have to do is drill a couple holes and thread them, and that way put a couple grub screws in to grab on the flat of the motor. So excellent. Excelente. So basically we've got this puppy wrapped up. So I think that's a good stopping point. So I hope you guys enjoyed following along on this Make the Shaft project. And let's see, that's part 3. So part 4, we'll start putting the everything together and start making the frame and the body and everything for the rotary table itself. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you're enjoying this, and if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up, and share with your friends so we can get our sub count up. We got to get to 500. I got gifts for you guys, so let everybody know about my channel, and we'll catch you guys later.